Hello students, welcome to PC Lectures. In this video we are going to discuss about the citric acid cycle or the TCA cycle and its 8 reactions. So without wasting much of your time, quickly let's get started. So the TCA cycle involves the catabolism of acetyl-CoA and it occurs in the mitochondria and it's amphibolic and it also has 8 reactions. So that's the summary of the TCA cycle. As we can see, it starts with acetyl-CoA and it ends with oxaloacetate as the final product. So let's get started with the reactions. Okay, so the first reaction, it involves the formation of citrate. So it starts with acetyl-CoA, that's acetyl-CoA. It reacts with oxaloacetate and water is added and coenzyme A is removed. The enzyme for this reaction is citrate synthase, and that citrate that is being produced. So that's the first reaction. We go to the second reaction. It involves the isomerization of citrate to isocitrate. So that citrate that was produced. So that citrate, first water is removed by the enzyme aconitase. Then that's the intermediate product, which is cis aconitase. Then water is re-added back with the enzyme aconitase. Then isocitrate is being produced. So that's the second reaction. Okay, so we go to the third reaction. So it's oxidative decarboxylation. So that's isocitrate. It will be oxidized and decarboxylated. The enzyme is isocitrate dehydrogenase. NAD is being reduced and alpha ketoglutarate is being produced plus carbon dioxide. So that's the third reaction. We go to the fourth reaction. It's also oxidative decarboxylation. So that's alpha ketoglutarate. Coenzyme A is being added and NAD is being reduced. The enzyme is alpha ketoglutarate dehydrogenase complex. And what is produced is succinyl-CoA plus carbon dioxide. So that's the fourth reaction. So we go to the fifth reaction. In the fifth reaction, that's succinyl-CoA. Then GDP is going to be phosphorylated to DTP and coenzyme A is being removed. The enzyme is succinyl-CoA synthetase. Then succinate is being produced. So that's the fifth reaction. We go to the sixth reaction. So in the sixth reaction, it is dehydrogenation of succinate. So that's succinate. Then the enzyme is succinate dehydrogenase. FAD is being reduced. Then the product formed is fumarate. So that's the sixth reaction. So we move on to the seventh reaction. So the seventh reaction involves the hydration of fumarate to malate. So that's fumarate. Then water will be added to fumarate by the enzyme fumarase and malate is being produced. So that's the seventh reaction. We move on to the eighth reaction. It involves the oxidation of malate to oxaloacetate. So that's malate. Then NAD will be reduced by the enzyme malate dehydrogenase, and that's our final product, which is oxaloacetate being produced. So that's the overview of the citric acid cycle, and that's what we get by the oxidative process of 1 mole of acetyl-CoA. So thank you very much for watching, and please subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss anything.